Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pro Wrestling Extra. Jay Douglas Howdy and Kyle Blizzard taking on Luke.
I'll tell you something, Jamie. Kyle Blizzard is a pretty big guy. The guy's in good shape, young. I'm interested to see this. How he got under the tutelage of Jay Douglas Howdy, I don't understand. But let's see what the guy can do tonight.
And we'll see, no doubt. Luke Spencer taking on Kyle Blizzard in this one-on-one confrontation here. And of course, Kyle Blizzard has Jay Douglas Howdy in his corner. That's an ace in the pocket for him. There's the bell. There you go, tying up collar and elbow. Wow. Look at that. He's showing his power.
You can leave. Actually, if you just like to walk out, that's fine. That's not happening.
There you go, collar and elbow now. First hammer lock on Kyle Blizzard.
Get him off, Brett. Get him off. Get him back. Get him back. Back him up, Brett. I got the ropes. I know the rules. You back him up. 3 seconds. Back him up because I will not wrestle until I fix my hair. That's right.
Wow, what arrogance on Kyle Blizzard under the tutelage of Jay Douglas Howdy.
Well, I know Jay Douglas Howdy didn't teach him anything about hair, as if I should talk.
Yeah, sporting a nice bowling ball. Wow! Big headbutt there. And no pun intended. It's just the way you wear your bowling ball there,
No offense, Jamie.
There you go now, Kyle Blizzard. Big body slam. Luke Spencer laid out. Rolls out of the way just in the nick of time. Drop kicked it. And a drop kick. And Kyle Blizzard's over on the outside now.
If you notice where he placed those drop kicks, Jamie, they weren't high in the face. He was working low side. Looked like the liver he was aiming for with his feet.
No doubt. Wait a minute now. Ooh! Kyle Blizzard just delivered Luke Spencer right into the steel post. Both competitors back up to a vertical base. Luke Spencer driving the elbows right into the midsection. Forearm right across the forehead and only gets a 1 count. This action has gone inside and outside the ring here, Howdy. High impact suplex. And gets a 2 count.
If you notice on his forehead, you know, he hit the pole, he took that clothesline. Looks like a nice little goose egg.
Stealing a line from Hollywood Jamie Jobber here. And there you go, Kyle Blizzard now, wrenching in on the neck. You're going to have to see my lawyer for gimmick infringement. Luke Spencer now, driving to the midsection. Breaking that wrenching hold. Wait a minute. Ooh! High impact. And a near pinfall.
You gotta count that slow. He's 142 years old. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Standing fireman carry. Luke Spencer driving the knees right to the side of the head. And now punching. Trying to clothesline him out. Trying to get this big man off his feet, Howdy. Reverse Irish to the corner. Wow, as Kyle Blizzard was coming in, the elbow. Ooh! A double accidental right to the head. And wait a minute, J. Douglas Howdie up on the apron. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, that's all Kyle Blizzard needed. Wow, what a beautiful kick out.
That was a fall-away slam on Mr. Spencer. Didn't have
Wow, what exhibition of strength. And he gets a 3 count on Luke Spencer. And Kyle Blizzard